这次活动主要的目的是让全美的华人餐厅、超市、电商平台，还有批发商都了解预制菜在中国的发展，以及在美国的未来的趋势，让大家了解。
一般餐饮业的利润呢，差不多是在15%净利润啊，15%到20%左右。labor 的成本呢，大约是20%多，啊。那么如果预制菜不但能解决成本问题，还可以解决这个货存的问题。我是比较看好这个预制菜这个行业。
That people could make food at home in 5 or 10 minutes that would be the equivalent of what you'd find in the fanciest Chinese restaurants. We thought that would be the kind of thing that people would want to be able to buy all over the country, even if they didn't have it in their local grocery store.
So what do you think about the future about ready meal?
I think that the future of restaurants and food distribution, ready meals are just a strong growth industry. More and more restaurants are taking things where they can use ready meals, even in very high-end restaurants. So it's definitely a growth industry.
The ready meal, you know.
Oh, I think the concept is that that's the future in the United States. Is more and more ready meals.
Yeah, because for the faster lifestyles,
yeah,
right?
That's right.
Cool.
That was really good.
Really good? You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's very crispy.
Yes, yes. So this product is from our company, Jack and King's Ready Meals. Yeah, and our company that's only do all the things that's ready meals.
They're awesome. They're quick and easy. Instead of making your own food, it's quick and easy.
Do you want to try something?
I would love to. This is delicious. They smell really good
too. Yeah,
too.
this is brown sugar rice cake. How often do you eat a ready meal?
Oh, I do pretty often. It's very convenient. I have 2 children. It's very convenient.
More until you get enough.
Yes, I will. I'll be getting more. I want to have some of the dumplings.
The fish is really nice. The sauce is also really good. I like the texture of the fish.
Great.
And the sauce complements it well. Like something very convenient. You just throw it on the microwave, and then a few minutes it comes out, and then you eat it. Yeah.